Hello, my lovely students. Today I will answer for you the homework. The first exercise 3 in page 35. You have to find the value of x. Look at the triangle. It's right-angled triangle. This is the longest side, the hypotenuse. We have to find the value of x. Of course, the length of this side. And of course, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. X squared equal x minus 2 squared plus 8 squared. Okay, x squared equal x minus 2 squared plus 8 squared by using Pythagoras theorem. Now, to square this bracket, it means you have to multiply it by itself. Okay, you have to multiply this bracket by itself. If you multiply it by itself, you will get x squared minus 4x plus 4. Remember that x minus 2 squared equal x minus 2 times x minus 2. You have to multiply the first term by the first term, then multiply the first term by the second term, then multiply the second term by the first term, then multiply the second term by the second term. Okay, x times x equal x squared, x times minus 2 equal minus 2x, then minus 2 times x equal minus 2x, then minus 2 times minus 2 equal 4. Now minus 2x and minus 2x equal minus 4x. So x minus 2 squared, this is the answer, okay, for x minus 2 squared. Now we have to add 4 to 64. We will get 68. Now subtract x squared from both sides, and you will get, of course, 0, 0. You will get 0 equal minus 4x plus 68. Now let's add 4x to both sides. 4x equals 68. Divide both sides by 4. So x equals 17. X, the length of this side is 17 centimeters. What about the length of this side? X minus 2 will be, of course, 15, because 17 minus 2 equals 15 centimeters. Now, exercise 5. Find the length of a diagonal of a rectangular box of the length 12 centimeters, width 5 centimeters, and height 4 centimeters. Let's draw the rectangular box first. This is the length, width, and height. Okay, the length is 12, the width is 5, the height is 4. Now, the diagonal of a rectangular box is y. This is the diagonal of the rectangular box. It's a line from this vertex, the top of the rectangular box, to the bottom of the rectangular box to this vertex. Okay, this is the diagonal of the rectangular box. It's inside the box from this vertex to this vertex. To find y, we have to find x first. We have to find the length of this side. Now we have a right-angled triangle. This is triangle. It's right-angled triangle. Okay, and x is a hypotenuse according to this triangle. It's the longest side. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find x. X squared equals 12 squared plus 5 squared. Okay, so we have to find the value of x first. So x squared equals 12 squared plus 5 squared. 12 squared equals 144. 5 squared equal 25. Let's add, we will get 169. Take square root for both sides. X equal 13 centimeters. So X is 13 centimeters. Okay, now look at this triangle. Look at this triangle. It's also a right-angled triangle, 90 degrees. And this side is 13 centimeters. This side is 4 centimeters. This is the longest side. So y is the longest side, the hypotenuse. We will use Pythagoras theorem again to find the value of y. Okay, so y squared equals 13 squared plus 4 squared. Y squared equals 169 plus 16. Let's add. We will get 185. Take square root for both sides. And y will be square root of 185 centimeters. So the length of the diagonal of this rectangular box is 100, the square root of 185 centimeters. Okay, exercise 6. Now, a thin wire of length 18 centimeters is bent into the shape shown. This is a wire. Okay, now from A to this point, the length is 3 centimeters. From this point to this point, the length is 3 centimeters, and the length of this side is 12 centimeters. 12 plus 3 plus 3 equal 18. Okay, now calculate the length from A to B. We need to find the length of AB. Now, to find the length of AB, first we have to draw a perpendicular line from A to this side. It's perpendicular, okay? And of course, the length of this side will be 3 centimeters as the opposite side, and the shape is square. This shape is a square. Okay, so from A to this point, 3 centimeters. The opposite side from this point to this point will be, of course, 3 centimeters. It's a square. Now, if from here to here, 3 centimeters, what about the length of this side? Of course, 12 minus 3 will give me 9. Okay, so this side will be 3 centimeters and this side will be 9 centimeters. 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal 18, the length of the wire. Now we have a right-angled triangle, okay? And AB is the hypotenuse, it's the longest side. We know the length of this side and the length of this side. So easy. So AB squared equal 3 squared plus 9 squared. Okay, now 3 squared equal 9, 9 squared equal 81. Let's add, we will get 90, so AB squared equal 90. Take square root for both sides, so AB equals square root of 90. 90 equal 9 times 10. Square root of 9 equal 3. So AB equal 3 square root of 10 centimeters. This is the length of AB. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.